This is such a good question, so I'm going to be answering it for you guys. So it says, do you have a separate stand store for each niche of products that you promote? And the simple answer is no, because I'm only in one specific niche, so I have all my products related to that niche in one stand store. But if you are someone that has maybe two very, very different niches, I would highly suggest to have two separate stand stores for each niche and for each of those products related to that niche. So for example, let's say you have one niche that you're dealing with that is about health and fitness, and then a second niche that is about like astrology and spirituality. You wouldn't have like tarot reading offerings in your health and wellness stand store that has like your workout guides or coaching or anything like that. It doesn't make sense for your brand that you're building, and it doesn't make sense for your target audience. It'd be really confusing to go to your stand store and see a whole bunch of random things that aren't related to what they found you for and what they're referring to you for. As a business owner, you have to remember that you want to make your purchasing process as easy as possible for your clients. So if that means to have two separate stand stores for your niches, that might be a little bit more work for you, but that makes the client's purchasing journey a lot easier, a lot clearer, and it builds trust with you and your client.